Alright, good day guys. Let's design a church flyer using the PixelLab. So let me go to my size, and then the width I will leave it at 902, and then the height I will leave it the same dimension for that. So let me go to gallery and then figure out some of the items that I will be using. For the background, I will search here. Here's the background that I will be using. So I'll just leave this one the way it is for now, and then I'll just increase the size. Okay. Color, my background color, and then leave it to this. And decrease the opacity again, and that one to show up. Let me just leave it like this. So I will go to background again, and my gallery, sorry, and then choose some of the items that I will be using. I will be using this also. And then for this I will be using also, let me just make this one to be invisible. So I will just increase the size of this, relative size of this, and drag it toward the size, and decrease the opacity. Let it be a kind of something. Okay, let's see this. This is looking somehow good. Okay. Alright, let me go to gallery again and then import the logo. So here's the logo. I will decrease the size of the logo, decrease it again to a dimension that I love. Let me centralize it. Alright, I will go to gallery again. Import a kind of something, this repo paper. Just decrease the size of it and then make it invisible for now. So let me go to my text and write present. Okay, and then let me just decrease the size of this present. Go to font, and then here's the font that I will be using, Tonrukula. So let me go to spacing and then like this to it. Okay, let me figure it to the place that I want it to be, sorry. So here is it. Let me centralize it. Let me just increase the spacing a little bit. Oh wow, this is good. Okay, now let me go to text again and then press my it. Okay, so I'll go to fonts and then make it I will be using Cartoon Bold Demo. So here is it. Just increase the size of it. Okay, and centralize it. I will copy it again and write 2023. And for this one I will change the color to be yellow and decrease the size. Okay. So let me go to gallery. So I'm looking for a mic. I will leave the materials in the description menu so that each and every one of you can download it directly. Okay. Just put it toward this direction. Alright. And just leave it like this. And then for this 2023, let me just increase it a little bit. Okay, here's it. Alright. Let me copy this again and then write tag. Okay, just align it toward this direction. And then make this one to be black. Let me go to my background. Make it to be yellow. That's the background. Okay, increase the size. Maybe the size to be this. Okay, now let me go to text again. Alright, youth, and then come back and write, go to another line and write purpose. Okay, so let me go to font. I will be using a font called Android. Font here is it. Okay, and then increase the size of this. Okay, now let me change the color of that purpose. I will come here and then make only purpose at the bold line and then go to color and change it to yellow. Okay, here is it. Now for this I will come to stroke and then stroke it a little bit this. So let me align them to the center, this one to the center, and then centralize everything. Okay, this is looking somehow good. So for this I will come here and make this one to be V-shape and then move it to the font. Sorry, where is it? Make it to the font and then decrease the size. Okay, so here is it. Now let me come to this ripple paper and then make it visible. I will make it to the font. Here is it. Now let me just work on this. Copy it. Okay. Let me make this one to be blue. And this one to be yellow. Copy this. to add this. Okay. Alright, and I copy this. Okay, this is looking good. So I will just create a shape. Sorry, create a shape. Drag it back. I kind of reduce it or push it a little bit. Okay, so let me leave it like this and then copy this. And then copy this, write with a purpose, with a with this. Leave the color to be lighted and then decrease the size. Okay, and centralize it a little bit. So I will go to gallery again and just, so I will be using this. Let me just drag it here. Just position it very well. Okay, let me lock it. So I will come here to this text and then write 5th to 6th, and go to the next line and write October, comma 2023. Drag this here, then go to fonts and then I will be using this font that I earlier used. So yes. Alright, here is it. Look perfect here. So I will copy this and then write Friday. At PM. And drag it here. And change the font to a black. Okay. Alright, I will copy it again and write start. Supposed to be Saturday, but I will just write the acronym AM. Okay, and just figure it here. Okay, I will come here. Sorry. Alright, at Christ Anglican Church. Okay, let me go to color and then change it to black as to white. Let me leave it at white. Sorry. So let me go to fonts and then make it this neutral regular. Okay, let me reduce the size and drag it toward here. Let me see where that is aligning. Okay, let me just leave it here like this. Okay, so for these icons, this, no, this. Okay, let me align them to the center. Alright, here is it. So I will go and import the image of all the ministers. This one is in both. Alright, here are the images of the image of all the ministers. So I will drag this one to here. Let me just reduce the size of it. Okay, and this one I will drag him to here and reduce the size of it. And let me turn it this size. Okay, now for this, I will just kind of reduce the size of it. Okay, like this. Then toward this. Okay, and then for this, reduce the size. Just align it toward the center. Okay, let me work on the first guy here. I will reduce the opacity and the saturation, and then the contrast I will just increase the contrast a little bit. So the second one here, I will decrease the opacity and the saturation, and then increase the contrast a little bit also. The same thing with this guy. And then the fourth guy is at the back. I have to do this. So I will do the same to him and then increase the contrast. So here you see. So I will go to name and their names. First of all, I will write Sabili. So the minister. Sabili. Okay, make it uppercase letters. And then drag it toward this direction. And then decrease the size. Like this one to be. Go to fonts and then I need this font, Captain Regular and Captain, and then adjust it toward here so that everyone can actually recognize that this one is Shabili. Okay, the next guy, Minister Aguila Estauda. So I will also drag also fire this and then adjust it toward this direction. Okay, this one I have to reduce the size of it. Okay, alright, for this I'll copy it again and then write even is it even or event? I don't know. Drag it toward here. Okay, then the last guy, I'll do this and then write Reverend Canon Daladi Dodo. Okay. This, let me just reduce this, remove this. Now reduce the size. Let me make it also of uppercase letters. Okay. So now for this, let me make it of uppercase letters so that it can be all over. Alright, here are the I can decide to kind of move them a little bit lower like this. Okay, that is it. Alright, the last thing that I will be doing, I will go to my gallery. Okay, I will be using this. So let me just kind of expand it. Okay, let me drag them down. Okay, alright, here is it. Guess this look good. Let me just drag it backward a little bit. Alright, here is it. So the next thing I will be doing, I will go to gallery again, and then I'm trying to get something. I will be using this. So let me resize it a little bit. I want to use it here. Okay. Let me drag it. So this width, I will turn it to black color and then resize it a little bit. Rotate it a little bit. Alright, here is it. I think this one looks perfect. So I will go and save my work. So after saving my work here, I will go to Snapseed. Here is the work. So let me see. I go with pop. Okay. So I will just work with this and then export my. I won't do any much addition on this. So 7. Okay, let's view this. So this is our flyer actually. So this is just how to design an event flyer, a church event flyer. Thank you. Make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel in order to get more videos on how to design using your smartphone. Thank you.